Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share 100 TikTok ideas to get famous. These are very specific and amazing TikTok ideas to go viral and get you followers for sure. TikTok is an amazing app where people discover a lot of new ideas and videos. And if you have very specific TikTok ideas for your account, you will attract relevant users and followers over a period of time for sure. Once you start getting followers, they will increase your video watch time and video engagement as they like your niche. Once that happens, TikTok starts pushing your videos to new users. And as your video reaches to more people, your videos go viral and make you famous. There is something for everyone in this list of TikTok ideas. A lot of these TikTok ideas can also be used without showing your face. For a lot of these TikTok ideas, you can simply get images, facts and data from Google and use it in your TikTok videos. Hence, watch this video till the end, otherwise you will miss on best TikTok ideas to get famous quickly. Also, do subscribe to my channel for more videos on TikTok, social media and digital marketing. Without delaying further, let's move to the list of 100 TikTok ideas. TikTok idea number 1, iPhone and Android hacks. Number 2, mobile and gadget reviews. Number 3, celebrity facts and celebrity lifestyle. Number 4, famous movies of celebrities and how they make money. Number 5, school, college or office routine. Number 6, how to make money online. Number 7, how to manage your finances and taxes. Number 8, trading and investment. Number 9, bike and supercar facts. Number 10, watches, apparels, footwears and other accessories facts and reviews. Number 11, new game and gaming apps. Number 12, different gaming channels and gamers across the globe. Number 13, own memes and funny videos. Number 14, reactions to memes and funny videos. Number 15, world ranking of different countries on different factors such as GDP, tourism, etc. Number 16, world records. It can be Guinness Book of World Records or Limca Book of World Records as well. Number 17, world news and finance. Number 18, fake news versus true news. Number 19, different currencies and their conversion as per your country currency. Number 20, culture and festivals. Number 21, online education. Number 22, online courses and learning. Number 23, online shopping, tips, reviews and more. Number 24, books, their authors and different genres. Number 25, reviews of the books, in-depth analysis. Number 26, small and big life hacks. Number 27, do-it-yourself videos. Number 28, comparison videos. Number 29, behind the scenes of making TikTok videos. Number 30, haul videos and reviews. Number 31, how to become social media influencer. Number 32, Microsoft Office suite skills and tutorials. Number 33, Mac and Windows hacks. Number 34, Gmail, Chrome and other Google apps skills and hacks. Number 35, job and interview skills. Number 36, entrepreneurship skills and experiences. Number 37, how to scale and market your business. Number 38, parenting ideas. Number 39, relationship ideas. Number 40, acting and lip sync videos. Number 41, personality development. Number 42, how to look professional. Number 43, different challenges and pranks. Number 44, response videos. Number 45, parody videos. Trick shot using balls, glasses, dominoes, etc. Number 47, historical and unknown facts about your country. Number 48, movie and TV show reviews. Number 49, comic book and cartoon characters. Number 50, video and photography editing skills. So number 51 is language speaking skills. Number 52, fitness and exercise videos. Number 53, fitness myths, truths and fakes. Number 54, diet ideas. Number 55, vlogging. Number 56, riddles and maths tricks. Number 57, transition and transformation videos. Number 58, time-lapse videos. Number 59, Q&A videos. Number 60, illusion videos. Number 61, hairstyle and makeups. Number 62, skincare routine. Number 63, beauty product reviews. Number 64, jewelry ideas. Number 65, outfit of the day. Number 66, food recipes. Number 67, food review. You can review the food of different countries or different cultures and tell more about it. Number 68, bars, restaurants and other places reviews. Number 69, motivational quotes. Number 70, animal videos. Number 71, rant videos. Number 72, daily news and updates. Number 73, sports facts and schedules. Number 74, startup news from across the globe. Number 75, technical and educational videos on topics such as digital marketing, programming, finance, etc. Number 76, educational tutorials on dancing, singing, playing guitar, etc. Number 77, health tips. Number 78, music editing skills. Number 79, music reviews and favorite music. Number 80, drawing and art skills. Number 81, paper art and origami skills. Number 82, how to make a website. Number 83, how to do online blogging. Number 84, how to grow on YouTube. Number 85, how to grow on TikTok and Instagram. Number 86, how to grow and write on Quora. Number 87, travel ideas and vlogs. Number 88, comedy. Number 89, product reviews. Number 90, things to do when or in any situation. Number 91, bloopers. Number 92, TikTok failures and TikTok draft videos. Number 93, home decor. Number 94, gardening. Number 95, bonsai art. Number 96, astrology. Number 97, religion. Number 98, politics. Number 99, human mind, communication and psychology. And number 100, medicines. I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, do share with your friends and family as well so that they can also get a lot of TikTok ideas to make a lot of TikTok videos. These topics are very much in depth and require a lot of videos, and hence as you get a lot of views and more videos out, you will definitely go viral because of these TikTok ideas. Hence, you will get TikTok famous as well. Do hit the bell icon so that you know every time I upload a new video. Thank you.